See, apart from the Shat Chakras, starting from Muladhara, then moving on to Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata Chakra, then Vishuddha, Agnya, and Sahasrara, there is one very important chakra called Guru Chakra. Because ultimately, it is the Guru who is going to take you from the Ajnana to Jnana, or from ignorance to knowledge, or from darkness to light. So Guru Chakra is considered to be a very, very important chakra, though it is a minor chakra. The reason why I am talking about Guru Chakra is for this reason. See, many people talk about Guru Chakra as Ajna Chakra itself, or which is very close to Ajna Chakra. Tantra speaks with much more clarity that it doesn't say that Guru Chakra is Ajna Chakra or Ajna Chakra is Guru Chakra. Maybe for convenience sake, it can be merged as one, because it is the Guru who sits in Ajna Chakra and the disciple receives the commands and messages from the Guru when it is delivered. So in that sense, maybe Guru Chakra is Ajna Chakra is Guru Chakra. However, there is a distinction made in Tantra Shastra, which I want to share with you. There is another minor chakra called Lalana Chakra, which is between Vishuddha and Ajna, means between the throat and the eyebrow center. And it is not very close to Ajna Chakra, little bit down, somewhere near the tip of the nose, a little above the tip of the nose, inside the Sushumna Nadi. So this Lalana Chakra, which is called the Guru Chakra here, has a distinctive difference from other chakras like Ajna Chakra. What is its specification? It has 12 petals. As the chakra, it has 12 petals, and the governing Aksharamala, or the letters or alphabets, are Ham, Sam, Ksham, Mam, Lam, Vam, Ram, Yam, Hum, Sam, Kham, Frame. These are the matrakas actually. So for 12 petals, you have 12 letters or aksharas. So normally, this Lalana Chakra, which is otherwise called Guru Chakra, has these letters, a combination of these letters as Guru Mantra. In Sri Vidya Sadhana, in Vidyaranya Parampara, there is a Guru Paduka mantra exclusively to awaken this Lalana Chakra, which happens to be the seat of Guru. And the Guru Paduka mantra has these letters, these matrakas made use of in the mantra, like Hasak Shamala Varayum, Husk Frame. Hasak Shamala Varayum, Husk Frame is the combination of matrakas used in Guru Mantra. And interestingly, again, it is the Rahasya of Sri Vidya that to activate the Udana Prana, which I was just describing in the other video, Udana is the upward moving prana from the throat to through the Ajna Chakra to the Sahasrara Chakra, which is responsible to carry the Kundalini Shakti, Kundalini path it is, and touch the Brahmarandra and experience your center of consciousness and get liberated. So for liberation, activation of Udana Prana and these mantras, dynamism and the energy are very, very essential. So, Guru Mantra, Guru Chakra or Lalana Chakra plays a very, very vital role in the state of liberation.